Welcome to Vinusri Erantoli YouTube channel. Good morning to all my respected teachers, parents and dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate this great national event. India's Independence Day is the most important day for the all Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in the history. It is the day when we got freedom from the British rule after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we got all the fundamental rights in our own nation, our motherland. Bhagat Singh, Khudiraam Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad are great freedom fighters, had struggled and spent their whole life only of the getting freedom. Gandhiji and Netaji was a great Indian personality. Our country is developing very fast in the field of technology, education, sports, finance and various other fields which were almost impossible before freedom. We are going ahead by actively participating in the sports like Olympic, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. We have full rights to close our government and enjoy the largest democracy in the world. India is our mother country and we are its citizen. We should always be ready to save it from the bad people. It is our responsibility to lead our country ahead and make it the best country in the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Please like, share, subscribe.